In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure polyline length in AutoCAD, fast and accurate. If you've ever needed a precise total length for a path, boundary, or route in your drawing, the quickest and most reliable way is to read it directly from the properties palette. We'll keep this simple and accurate so you can repeat it with confidence every time. Start by selecting the polyline you want to measure. Click directly on the object so it highlights. It's important that this is a single polyline, not a set of separate lines or arcs. A good visual cue is the grips. If you see one continuous set of grips and the whole path highlights as one object, you're on the right track. If you click and only one segment lights up or multiple objects seem to be selected independently, it's not a single polyline and the length you get won't reflect the entire path. Polylines can be open or closed, straight or curved. As long as it's one object, you're set. With the polyline selected, open the properties palette. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Think of the properties palette as your dashboard for whatever you've selected. It shows editable settings and read-only details all in one place. If the palette is already open, Ctrl+1 simply brings it into focus. You can dock it to the side of your workspace or let it float for quick access while you work. If you click away and lose your selection, just reselect the same polyline so the palette updates with the correct information. Now look for the length value in the properties palette. Scroll if you need to and focus on the geometry section where AutoCAD lists the object's measurements. The length field shows the total length of the selected polyline, automatically summing every straight and curved segment. This value reflects your current drawing units, feet, inches, millimeters, meters, whatever your file is set to use. You don't need to zoom or change your view. The measurement is precise and independent of how you're looking at the drawing. If the length field is missing or looks wrong, double check that only one polyline is selected. Multiple objects or non-polyline segments won't report a single total. That's all it takes. Select the polyline, open properties with Ctrl+1 and read the length value. For a smooth workflow, keep the properties palette visible while drafting so you can get instant feedback anytime you click an object. With this approach, you'll measure polyline lengths quickly, accurately, and without interrupting your design process.